These days, it is very common for us to hear about the environment and all of its problems, right? But why is this happening to our planet? What is the fundamental root of so much chaos that is being experienced right now at an environmental level? Could we be responsible for this chaos? My name is Maria Marcela Goes. I am an instructor of the Gnostic culture. We'd like to give a very warm greeting to all of you. Today we want to reflect on an aspect that we all hear about on a daily basis, yet sometimes we play deaf, or acknowledge that it is happening, but think, I am not a part of it. But in reality, what is happening to our planet is very serious, and it is important to understand why this is happening to our planet. Well, if we imagine that our planet Earth is a living being, like all of us, that feels, and that any imbalance within it generates a reaction, then we can all see how our planet is sick, has a fever, and is giving off gas, right? A number of issues are happening to our planet, and all of this is because our planet is fragile and sensitive, a living being that finds itself out of balance, as I was saying, just like our very own physical body. Why does one become ill? Because there is an imbalance within ourselves. In some aspect of our physical, emotional, or psychological part, an imbalance occurs. The same happens to our planet. It is like this because there is an imbalance. So who is causing this imbalance? Those of us who are part of this planet. In other words, humanity. And it is worth noting that we are the only species that is destroying the planet. Let's reflect for a moment. Do plants pollute the planet? Do animals pollute the planet? Do they destroy it? No. They have known how to live in harmony with everything that is around them. They contribute to the ecosystem, to the environment. But what does the human species do? On the contrary, it destroys it. It pollutes it. In fact, we are killing ourselves. We are killing our house. And we are killing our possibilities of life. Why? Because there is an imbalance within us. There are some aspects in our psychology, in our emotions, that generate chaos within us, and that is reflected on the outside. That is why wherever the human being arrives, he comes to pollute, destroy, and kill. How sad is that? We must learn from animals and from plants. They are capable of living in harmony, so why can we not live in harmony? Gnostic science and culture teaches us and gives us many tools for one to be able to end the imbalance that lives within us.